car is clean. Let's go on the drive. Holy moly, look at that. A lot of snow. Phew. Buddy is going. Yes, still this is ice. Nobody's open. It's 3:07. Alright, there's a snow everywhere. Most of the cars are stuck, and I don't know why they stopped on the red light. The data center, Ashburn data center, Microsoft, IBM, etc. There you go, let me go fast.